Stop for a moment, because what I'm about to tell you might completely change how women see you. What if I told you that one single compliment, could make her heart beat faster, stay on her mind for days, and instantly make you stand out from every other man she has ever met? This sounds crazy, right? Here is the truth that most men never figure out. It is not about how you look. It is not about how money you have. It is not about your status. It is about how you make her feel with the things you say. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to do that. Welcome to Jillz Love Circle TV, where we talk about the psychology of attraction, connection, and what really makes a woman feel something. Today, we are going to dive into a skill that most men completely overlook, the skill of giving unforgettable compliments. Because let us be honest, if you had the chance to say one sentence that she would remember for years, would you still waste it on "you're hot" or "nice dress"? Exactly. Most men. That is why they are forgettable. You are here because you want to be different. You see, attraction is not built on surface-level words. It is built on impact. The real secret is a well-placed compliment that you mean. Think about it. Have you ever seen a woman's energy change because of something a man said? Her posture changes. Her eyes get softer. She gives you her attention. That is not random. That is because of the way you made her feel. Today, I am giving you 8 powerful compliments that go deeper than anything she usually hears. These are not pickup lines. These are things that make her feel seen, respected, and drawn to you on a level she cannot explain. Because here is the truth. If you keep giving compliments, you will always be just another guy. A man who speaks with purpose, who understands how to be present, who chooses his words carefully, becomes unforgettable. So if you are ready to stand out, create attraction, and leave a lasting impression, stay with me until the end. This is going to be detailed because I want you to really master this. Let us start with compliment number 1. That fragrance you are wearing, it is really nice. This is not about smell, it is about memory. Smell is directly tied to emotion, desire, and nostalgia in the brain. When you notice it, you are showing awareness, presence, and attention to detail that most men miss. Average men say, "You look good." A man who is aware notices something personal. Say it calmly with a smile and steady eye contact. No overreaction. Trust me, she will not just remember the compliment. She will associate that feeling with you every time she wears that perfume. This one compliment alone can create a connection that pulls her toward you. Compliment number 2. Your smile can light up a room. This is not about beauty. It is about impact. A woman whose smile can shift the energy of a room is powerful and rare. Most men comment on her body or outfit. You are different. You recognize how her presence affects everyone around her. When you say this, you are showing emotional intelligence. You are not just looking at her, you are feeling her energy. Her posture will straighten, her eyes will get softer. She feels seen for the light she brings into the world. That creates a deep emotional pull toward the man who noticed it. Compliment number 3. I really like how real you are. You do not try to fit in. In a world of fake personalities and people chasing validation, being authentic is what really matters. Average men give compliments that could apply to any woman. A man who is aware praises her character and uniqueness. This compliment goes beyond her appearance. It touches her identity and her truth. When a woman feels accepted for who she is, that connection becomes powerful. Being real will always feel perfect to the man. Deliver this one with sincerity in your voice. Let her feel that you mean it. This is the kind of compliment that makes her want to spend time with you because she feels safe being herself. Compliment number 4. I love the way you see the world. It is different. It makes me think. Now you are stepping into territory. Most men chase looks. You are appreciating her mind. You are telling her that her perspective matters, that she influences how you think, and that shifts everything. Because now you are not another guy trying to impress her. You are a man who is genuinely intrigued by her. That curiosity is what really attracts her. This is the kind of compliment that stays with her for years. It makes her feel intellectually attractive, which for women is far more powerful than physical attraction alone. Ask a follow-up question about her view on something after saying this. Watch the conversation flow naturally. Compliment number 5. I love your energy. It makes me want to be better. Energy is everything. Some people drain you, others elevate you. When you recognize her energy, you are acknowledging her impact on your life. Average men say, "You are fun." A man who is aware says she inspires growth. That is deeper than attraction. That is respect. This compliment creates a high for her. She feels valued not for what she looks like, but for who she is at her core. Her energy will naturally rise around you because she wants to keep receiving this feeling. Use this when you notice her enthusiasm or positivity in a moment. Timing makes it unforgettable. Compliment number 6. You are honestly one of the thoughtful people I have met. It shows. In a world of surface-level interactions and fake kindness, genuine thoughtfulness stands out. Most men never notice the things she does. You do. This kind of compliment does not just make her smile. It makes her feel understood and appreciated on a level. It hits her heart directly. A man who is aware sees her effort and character. When she feels seen for her thoughtfulness, she opens up more. She wants to invest in the connection because it feels rare and special. This one builds trust fast. Compliment number 7. I admire how driven you are. Your purpose is inspiring. Ambition is attractive. Real recognition of it is rare. Average men focus on the present moment. A man who is aware sees who she is becoming. When you acknowledge her discipline, her goals, and her direction, you are showing her that you value more than attraction. You value her growth. This creates a kind of bond. She feels motivated and supported. Many women carry the weight of their ambitions. When you notice and admire it, you become the man she wants by her side. Say this with respect in your tone and watch her light up. Compliment number 8. You have this way of making people feel comfortable, like they matter. This is powerful because few people have this ability to make others feel seen, safe, and valued. Most men focus on how she makes them feel. You focus on how she makes everyone around her feel. This compliment recognizes her intelligence, her presence, and her ability to connect. It hits deep. When you point this out, she feels truly special. It creates a pull because she now associates being her natural self with the positive attention she receives from you. This is one of the compliments for building long-term attraction. There it is. 8 compliments that go beyond the surface. These are not words. They create emotion. They build connection. They make you unforgettable. Because at the end of the day, a woman might forget what you said. She will never forget how you made her feel. Now let us talk about how to use them. The way you say it is everything. Speak slowly. Hold eye contact. Mean every word. Do not rush through them. Use them naturally in conversation, not all once. One powerful compliment at the moment is worth 10 weak ones. Practice in front of the mirror until it feels natural. A man who is aware does not seek validation. He gives appreciation and becomes magnetic as a result. Most men will watch this video. Do nothing. You are different. You are here to level up. Start using these compliments this week. Pay attention to how women respond. Their energy will shift. Conversations will last longer. Attraction will build faster. You now have the tools. Use them. If you are serious about mastering attraction and building connections, make sure you subscribe to Jillz Love Circle TV and turn on notifications. This channel is your guide to becoming the man women naturally gravitate toward. I want you to do something right now. Drop the word "seen" in the comments if this video changed how you think about attraction, because that one word means you understand the power of what most men never will. I will see you in the one. Every insight, principle, and message is intentionally crafted to help you understand attraction, relationships, and emotional dynamics at a deeper level. This channel is for educational purposes only, not professional advice. If you're serious about mastering love the right way, subscribe and keep building.